Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're out there building a business, you already know you need a rock-solid foundation, right? Well, today we are totally demystifying the LLC. We're not just looking at it as some boring legal requirement, but as your ultimate strategic business shield. Seriously, whether you're just finalizing that first business plan or you're already scaling a massive operation, mastering this structure is an absolutely critical step for your financial future. So let's get into it.
Okay, picture this. Could your new side hustle actually bankrupt you? It's a terrifying thought, but it's the core risk every single entrepreneur faces. I mean, one lawsuit or just one unexpected business debt could literally expose your entire life savings, your car, your house. But at LLC, it's specifically designed to stop that threat right in its tracks. It lets you chase those entrepreneurial goals without putting everything you own on the line.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet your business shield. Second, the top benefits of an LLC. Third, LLC versus other business types. Fourth, who can form an LLC. And finally, the steps to form yours.
All right, let's dive right into Section 1, Meet Your Business Shield. What exactly is an LLC?
Well, the magic phrase here is limited liability. Basically, this caps your personal responsibility for any business debts. Think of it like a literal heavy-duty legal firewall. It firmly separates you, the creator, the innovator, from the financial liabilities of the business itself. It is the best of both worlds, really. You get the operational simplicity of running things yourself, paired with top-tier corporate-level protection. To put that into perspective, let's look at what happens without one. Without an LLC, you and your business are legally the exact same thing. So if the business owes money or gets hit with litigation, your personal savings are fully exposed, no protection whatsoever. But setting up an LLC creates two entirely distinct legal entities. And because of that strategic separation, your personal assets, like your home, your investments, your savings, they remain completely shielded from any business-side turbulence.
Moving right along to Section 2, the top benefits of an LLC, and exactly why you need this legal shield. There are really 5 main reasons why this is the go-to structure for so many founders. Number 1, robust personal asset protection, which we just talked about. 2, it's incredibly easy to start and maintain, especially compared to a traditional corporation. 3, and this is a massive one, flexible pass-through taxation. That basically means the business profits bypass those hefty corporate tax rates and pass straight through to your own personal tax returns. It's a highly efficient setup. Add in a professional business image that gives you instant credibility with clients and banks, plus way fewer administrative formalities, and you've got yourself a seriously optimized structure.
Now, what's really interesting about this next slide is how we compare it to its siblings. Section 3, LLC versus other business types. I like to call this the Goldilocks framework.
So let's break this down. A sole proprietorship? Yeah, it's super easy to set up, but it offers absolutely zero asset protection. It's way too risky, a massive operational liability. On the other extreme, you have a full corporation. Sure, it protects your assets, but it completely bogs you down with a complex setup and endless, rigid formalities. Too complicated. But the LLC, it hits the absolute sweet spot. It's just right. You get that corporate-level protection, but without the administrative nightmares. It is the perfect balance of security and agility.
So who is this actually for? Section 4, who can form an LLC? And is this structure for you?
The short answer is pretty much anyone. This structure is incredibly flexible. It's totally available for single individuals, partnerships, U.S. citizens, green card holders, or even other businesses. But here is a truly surprising fact, a real aha moment. You don't even have to live in the U.S. to leverage it. Non-U.S. residents and foreign entrepreneurs can absolutely form an LLC. It's a globally accessible shield for international founders looking to tap into a reliable, trusted legal framework. Pretty amazing, right?
And it scales perfectly across our modern economy. Just think about the kinds of everyday businesses relying on this structure right now. We're talking online stores, Amazon FBA sellers, Shopify masters, freelancers, consultants, YouTubers, and content creators. Or if you're running a marketing agency, a software company, or dealing in real estate, an LLC molds to fit exactly what you're doing. It gives you the operational freedom to grow your enterprise like crazy, all while keeping your personal wealth completely out of the blast zone.
Okay, finally, Section 5, steps to form yours, and how you can actually get started today. You might think this is going to be a bureaucratic nightmare, but the logistics are surprisingly simple. Step 1, just pick a unique business name that represents your brand. Step 2, gather some basic owner and business address info.
Step 3, get yourself a registered agent. They're just the folks who handle your official legal mail. And Step 4, file your formation documents with the state. That is literally the whole shebang. Once approved, your legal shield is immediately active, instantly transforming you into a protected entity.
So here's the ultimate question. Are you ready to protect your personal assets? You've seen the strategic risks of operating totally exposed, and you know exactly why the LLC is the gold standard when it comes to tax flexibility and liability shielding. The setup is simple, but the protection is absolutely vital. So what is your next strategic move going to be? Are you going to keep gambling with your savings, or are you going to build that shield? Thanks for joining me on this explainer today, and I genuinely look forward to seeing the robust, fully protected businesses you all go out and build.